the best way to do marketing of your business. Previously one video in one video, I told everybody that if you want to make your business successful, you need to do marketing. And I think the cheapest way to do marketing right now is the Instagram page. But apart from that, what is the one way which you can do in order to improve your business every single month? You can able to see so many sales in your business. How can you do that? What is the one way to do the marketing for that particular business? I think this is the platform. YouTube channel is a very great platform when it comes to doing marketing of your business, because that's very, very important. You just need to understand that to whom you are selling your services right now. So let's take an example. If you ask about me, I'm selling my email copywriting service. So I know that the people who are going to buy this particular services from me, they will have the interest in email marketing, and that's the reason behind it why I'm creating content for the email marketing, right? That's the only reason. There is no any reason for that, right? So I'm doing that in order to make fun. I'm doing that in order to increase the value for my business. I'm doing that in order to sell eventually my services to you guys, right? So I'm doing that for that particular purpose. So if you want to do marketing of your business, you need to first understand that what exactly the product which you are selling. And if you understand that what exactly the product which you are selling right now, then you need to do marketing of your business with $0. If you don't have money like me, because the family which I came from, I don't have too much resources right now. But I can't cry. I used to cry. I used to think that I cannot be a businessman. I cannot sell anything because I don't have any money to pay ads for the ads, right? But this is the way you can do that. Nowadays you have access for so many information. If you not understand how YouTube work, go subscribe to that particular channel which name is Think Media. You will be able to understand that how to make your YouTube channel grow. I'm also learning from that. I don't know anything. The only thing which I know, I don't know anything, right? So if you want to do marketing of your business, I think YouTube channel after Instagram page will be a great option for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you need any copywriting services, I have these 7 copywriting services with me. Definitely you can reach out to me. I want to write for you only for $5. Thank you so much for watching this video.